What's up, guys? Nick here with Pretty Much Canada. I got Tanner behind the camera with Driftwood Outdoors. Get a close-up of the old Chev. She's a little frozen. She hasn't moved all winter. You guys can check the video. She's been in that same spot every single video. Let's do a little loop. We'll show you how sunken in she is, and then we're going to try to just yank her straight out. Or not yank it, but drive it out.
Well, we'll see if that works.
Get like up close to the tires and see if it rolls in.
Oh yeah. Pretty sloppy. We got a big old ice shelf back there.
Just keep in mind, it's a rear wheel drive only.
Oh.
That side's the worst. Pop up and show them that side quick.
Yep.
She's froze in there. Pretty damn good. I don't know what kind of angle you want, Bruce.
Well, I think I'll give it a little bit wider shot so we can see all your attempt. Let's get a little bit closer look at this. She's hopping. That tire broke loose. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's moving the whole truck. One wheel wonder. Yeah, we'll do plan B.
Alrighty, folks. So, obviously we didn't make it. So I'll have Tanner go get the plow, or not the plow, but the Volvo, which is for sale. Probably got you guys in the wrong way. We're selling the Volvo. We got the Sterling, so we don't need it no more. It's just, it's out. We've outgrown it. It's seen better days, you could say. So anyways, since she's for sale, I think we're going to use it to pull out one more piece of equipment one last time. Kind of not really ring in the new year, but for old time's sake. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a diesel. But anywho, well, let's ask Tanner what he thinks. Are you just gonna pull us out backing out, or are you gonna? Be a little more cocky doing it in reverse. See if it will. Huh?
So then I can give you a thumbs up as I pull you out.
No diff lock. that thing's gonna take 2 years to air up anyways. So once he gets that aired up, we will get back to the action. Get her hooked up, see what happens. I think we'll be able to get her out in reverse. I don't think we'll have a problem. Might need diff lock. Only one way to find out. What's your prediction? Think so? Without diff lock?
Oh, diff lock.
Oh, man.
This thing does a lot.
I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm gonna miss it.
You know, really, this truck, it's been in some pretty sticky situations. It's even been into the kind of situation where somebody used the boom to pull the truck out. So that's why we got a bent fork.
Now just give him a quick overlay on that story.
Forget who that was. I think it was Tank. Yeah, but he was out on some job. Managed to put the truck kind of into the ditch. Well, he figured it'd be a good idea to pull the boom out, and I don't even think he put down the downriggers, but he pulled the boom out and he hooked it onto a tree and must have extended it out and just pulled it back out. And, well, it did it. It didn't like it, and I think we definitely beat that back into place the best we could, but yeah.
It's just, it always made it a son of a bitch to try to boom stuff off, because if you weren't completely level, the forks were always off kiltered a little bit, so trying to get the forks under a unit was a bitch from time to time. Anywho, we're gonna hook this bad boy up, get a good camera angle, and get her on out of there. Alright. Just so you guys know, I think I'm going to try to pull a prank on Tanner quick. I think I'm going to try to keep the air brake on, or like throw it in reverse or something like that. Get him to spin the boom truck a little bit. We'll see how well that works. Try to give him a little trouble pulling me out. Can't make it too easy for the guy. But in all reality, if it can't get me, I'm going to try just to keep it neutral. See if the boom truck will at least walk it out on its own. Let's see what happens.